What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video we are going to have a look at the LG 16x Blu-ray DVD writer. This is the Super Multi Blue BH16. It's compatible with Blu-ray disc, DVD, CD formats, 16x Blu-ray -R writing speed. It's got 3D playback. It has the BDXL, which means it can hold up a capacity of 5 times a Blu-ray, 5 Blu-rays. It's got the M-disc coating when it starts to burn the discs for a longer duration. The M-disc coating, 3D playback. It's compatible with Windows 10. It will be compatible with Mac OS and Linux. Alright, let's see what's more on this box. It says 16x Blu-ray DVD writer, Super Multi Blue BH16, and the backside of this box, overspeed burning technology, BDXL. It supports 128GB write-once disc, which is equivalent to 27 DVDs or 5 Blu-ray discs just on one BDXL disc. It's the M-disc coating for long-lasting records. It must be silent, jamless. This is nice. Upgrade DVD to HD quality. BD Blu-ray playback on 3D. It's got any contents Blu-ray, DVD writer, Cyberlink software suite for Blu-ray, Power DVD, Power to Go, Power Producer. Alright, here it's got more specs. This one is the BH16NS55. Alright, without further ado, let's open up this puppy. And just Alright, let's see what's inside here. Let's put the box aside. Well, that's nice because from the package you already can see that this is a retail package and it comes with software, cables, and screws, which is really nice. I like that. So let's see what's inside here. We go here 4 mounting screws, a Sata cable, which is always handy to have. We'll now soon test it. A power converter, which converts an old Molex into the newer power Sata. This is nice. In case you have an older system, it will be compatible also. So it will convert the old power connector with the new SATA connector. This is nice to have. It's got a few instructions on how to mount it, some warranty papers, a booklet of the warranty in all languages, and of course the CD, the media suite, Cyberlink Media Suite 10 for Blu-ray. All you need to enrich your digital life. Alright, guys, I'll install this later. Let's put this aside for now. We come to the product. LG has done nice thing. Alright, this is the model BH16NS55 from LG and has been manufactured in May 2018, as you can see. Let's try to power up this puppy. Alright, so on the back side we can see the Sata power connector and the Sata connector. So let's go ahead and let's try to connect it. Just bear with me 1 second.
Alright guys, that concludes this video for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Stay well, peace out.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you.